Hello people, I'm out again for a hammock camp in the secret woods. No one knows where it is, only a few people. And I'm with the delicate Sanders camping tonight, and I'm with my son Danny. So hopefully we'll have a good camp today. The weather's not too bad, don't think it's forecast rain, so it should be alright. Right, enjoy. Hi everyone, here we are at our camp, all set up, all ready to go. Our Danny's just made us a coffee, so I'm going to show you all our setups and show you the camp, see what we're up to. Okay. Let's get under here. This is my setup. Bit of a pyramid way, right. The DD tree huggers and the DD whoopee. What are they called? Whoopee strings. Yeah. Yeah. DD hammock. Front line. Let's open that bit. Got my OEX 5400. And I've got a Cecil Summit pillar with a scarf wrapped around it, so should be cosy and warm tonight. Stuff. Got a DD magic carpet. Keep all wet off your clothes. Camera stuff. Got this. Got steam made earlier on. A tripod for hanging stuff, or over at fire where we can. What's it called? That stuff. That thing. What you hang down off there? No, yeah. For over at fire. That chain tripod. Can you put a chain one on there?
Yeah, yeah, it's just a standard bush like crap tripod.
Yeah, yeah. Hi Danny. Just made our coffee. Comes in handy. I know. Hi Danny's set up. He's got his little sleeping bag in there, and I'll tell you something, it's comfy. Absolutely, and it's warm as well. He's been out in it before on the camp on Bamford Edge with me, and he loved it. There's a hut, got steam made, all on his own, or with his wife Sarah. You know, that's what he made all on his own. Might see it on Delicate Sounded Camping. It's inside. Look at that, eh? Can't beat that, can you? Yeah, live off the grid here. Right, and here's Steve's set up. Here's Steve set up, yeah. Here's Steve. He's having a biff day. Here's Steve. He's DD hammock as well. Don't know if it's what is that one? It's not a front line. That one is it? What's that one called?
That's the travel one. That one.
That's the travel one. That's the travel one, which is
a bivvy bag as well as a hammock.
Bivvy bag and a hammock. So you started there, and you got your magic carpet there on the top. DD carpet. You've got your
solo stove.
Got your stove there. What's that called? That one?
That's the solo stove light.
Solo stove light. Should be getting one of them off for Christmas off my Michelle, I think. I've hinted enough times. I bought her enough Chinese in Kentucky, so I might be able to get one for my birthday. As I say, I'll show you around the camp. See where we are. Middle of nowhere. Back at camp. Let's have a little walk through camp. Oh yeah. By the way everyone, flip flops. And here we are. This is our little wood storage what Steve come last other day and filled up before we came here. All dry wood for tonight. I'll tell you something. Alright, that innit? Didn't collect that much when I was at Bombing when I was younger. So we're sorted. This is our little heaven on earth at the moment. Absolutely brilliant. Look at this. Can't beat it. We've got the weather. Weather's looking fine. So I'll come back to you later on when we're having something to eat. Thank you much. See you later. Right everyone, on this YouTube video this time, I'll show you different ways and different ways of cooking and fire and making fires and that. So the first thing is the Nano, the Firebox Nano, small one. This is the titanium one, but you can get a normal stainless steel one, but this is lighter. We can show you it. Just lost one of the pins. Just pick it up. It comes in a little pouch. It's small, but it does the biz. Right, what it does is it's got an opening in the bottom. What comes down? Show you that. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah. You can either use this with wood, or you can use it with the Tanger. Is it Tanger? The Tanger liquid stove. So that's the Firebox Nano. It's the titanium one. So I'll show you with the thing you'll set up, the Tanger inside it. Ready? Yeah. Right. Welcome back to the Firebox Nano. I'll show you what method you can use for cooking with it. You can either have it wood, or you can have a Tanger liquid stove, which are really good, especially in winter, especially when your gas doesn't really work up in the mountains most of the time, but this type of fuel does. So here it is. I've got it on so the legs are wider, so we can put a pan on it just to show you, and I will show you how to fit the Tanger pegs what holds it in. Right. Goes in like that. Get the other one. Goes in. Goes in. So they're all in there, nice and snug. I'll put these out like that, so it's safe in that, like that. Right, I'll get the Tanger burner. What you do? One Tanger burner inside, like that. Fits snug in a rug. Fits perfect. It's like it's been made for it. Right, so we'll light it now. Light it. There we are. Sorted. There we have it. So as I say, you can either use the Tanger, or you can use pieces of wood what just fits in a little hole at the bottom there, and you can just poke it, put your logs on as you're cooking, and it's absolutely, and there's some heat what comes off that as well. So if you're into lightweight camping, the Firebox Nano, that's a titanium version. You can get a stainless steel version, which is a bit heavier, but not much. There's not much in it, but for all you people who count their kilos and stuff like that and pounds, it's the ideal one for you. It's only small, but it does the business. Absolutely good. I've only used it once, and it's what's called, and it does boil it. So as I say, I've got it set up for the pan. So all it does on top like that. You can also move the things from the bottom, the pins, so they're facing inwards, so you can put a cup on or anything like that. So you can do it to what size pan or cup you want to use. And so if you want one, you can go on to the Firebox website. Can't remember how much they are, but as I said, they're well worth having if you're a lightweight camper. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Oh well. Yeah, go on, you better get some sticks, Dan.
Like that. Make sure you give it enough room to
Have a walk. Right, that's got going now, and it's looking really good now. Stops the fire from scorching the turf. Bit closer, look at them. See if we can get a bit closer. Whoa, look at that. Mountain of Moldor. Frodo Baggins, go and fling your ring in there, lad. Right, Pep, we're making cock and bull, Mooster style. Some chopped steak, some chicken over the skillet. So everything, so chicken's cooked. Made everyone else's apart from mine, so I'm just doing mine. And peppers, you can bloody taste.
Oh, you're not messy.
What do you think of it?
It's absolutely gorgeous,
It's nice that bit.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely
It's a nice winter one. You know, when it's cold, it's snowing and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
It's one of them. Warm gel cockles of your heart. Yeah, 2-second rule, get it back on. Checking your hands for bugs then. Kind of scoffed these, haven't you then? Right, what you do now? Creamy. Put the cream on there. We're using Keisham's spices, garlic, chilli, and salt, like a garlic salt on there. I mean, you know what? It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is Steve's skillet, what we're using here. So, it's looking good.
Max 20.
Getting...
You have Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, that you have Mr. Outdoors
Heaven's Kitchen. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. What do you think of this? People, get a bit of this in you.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
When you're out camping again, have a bit of this. Look at that. Look at the colour now.
Yeah,
Look, these two have had theirs. Look at them. Fat git.
Still, we can't say much.
Oh, your dad fat you? Last thing I'm going to cook for you. Get that. Not stoves, Dad, again.
That's the solo stove light.
The solo light stove. Brilliant, look at that.
And that's the Petromax 20cm frying pan. Cast iron.
Sorted. And after this, we're going to have some burgers. I've got some minute steaks. Minute steaks sounds like I'm going to do them in microwave, innit? Sorry, but we haven't got a microwave out here, so.
We don't.
So.
Bring one once a month.
Look at that. Look at that. It's the future. Snicky, snacky, snoo. It's what we want.
Absolutely.
You know what? What's missing from this? Where's that beer, Stevie? Where's that beer?
Can we go and get them?
I've got mine over there. I've got mine there. Yours is over there. Again, Danny's finished. Danny, go and get us a beer. Go and get Steve's cider there. That's one what I bought him for tonight. I always buy Steve one because he does a lot of work before we get here, and I always buy him a cider.
Where is it?
Different type of cider every time, ain't there, Stevie?
Sure is.
You know what I mean? So
Can't beat a nice bit of cider.
I'm a cider drinker. I drink it all of the day. Cider, it makes you fall.
Where's yours, Dad?
You are?
Where's yours?
Mine's under that tree.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get us the.
Which one should I get?
No, get us the one, not the round head one, the other one.
Your favourite one?
Yeah, the one with two. When there's two of them.
Both of them.
Yeah, I just know I only want one. I can't only can drink one at a time. Just tell. Cheers, buddy.
Thanks, Dad.
Slug on it. Right, we're going to have a disco tonight. It's called a disco forklift truck. I don't know, have you ever had a disco with a forklift truck? I haven't, have you?
No.
Well, that's what it's called, Mango Pale Ale. And it's made by Drygate Brewing Company. So, these are from, where did I get these from? Can't remember. Spa. Oh yeah, no, I've got these from Spa. I think it was Spa I got these from, so I'm going to try it now, see what it tastes like. Bit of mango. Bit of mango in the jungle. Hey, you know what? It's the future. It's the future, that. That is really nice, that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's the future, you can taste that mango. Nice and fruity, that. It's not too bitter. It's really nice. So, pale ale, that one. Mango pale ale. Disco forklift truck. I haven't got a clue, are you? What do you meant to do a disco on a forklift truck?
I don't know, it'd be a bit messy, won't like it?
Right, so, got really sluggish there. So, man's all done now. So I'll just eat off this. Might as well, aren't I?
Wash that and you can use that plate.
What?
You can use that if you want to wash it.
Just stick it all on. Look at that, mate. Look at that.
Do you know what? That is absolutely gorgeous.
You enjoy that, yeah?
So we need the recipe for like that, yeah.
That's what. It's kind of get you.
There you go, mate. That is gorgeous. Leaves a nice burn in the mouth as well.
Yeah. I can make it stronger, but Dad, Danny doesn't like it. It's a big whopper out, you know. You don't like it strong, do you?
In all fairness, I actually can't eat it that like strong, Joe, because of me burning my stomach lining.
There it is. That's finished.
That's gorgeous.
Not opening. I've not got your tin opener.
It's just over there, I can't do it that way.
What's that like?
Oh, bugger.
Oh, you're not cut yourself. Oh yeah, show the camera what you've got.
I'm drinking a Crane's
Blueberry
and apple cider. Absolutely gorgeous.
I'm a cider drinker.
Ooh, that is gorgeous.
Right, all right, that then.
Have a taste of that.
It's a nice one, that one,
That's
isn't it?
a nice.
That'd be nice with like, no, cold with ice on it.
Oh yeah,
that's what I like cider, but
yeah.
with ice and stuff like that. That'd be lovely. That with some blueberries in your glass and some ice.
We'll have to try and get some moonshine for one of the
Moonshine?
camps, yeah.
Maybe we'll be forklift disco if we have some of that.
Okay, I'll get Matt to bring some.
Sorry Dave, but this is lovely.
Are you going to bed there, mate?
I'm just chilling.
Our Danny's chilling in his...
What head torch has he got there?
He's just got a normal one from... Where did you get that from, Dan?
Which?
Where did I buy that from?
This?
Yeah.
City man.
No, you got a torch?
I don't know. What's the other thing?
I think it's an Aldi one, Aldi.
That's a decent beam on that as well.
It's alright, yeah.
Can we stop this?
Yeah. These are they?
I don't know.
There's the burgers, nearly done. A bit close up, eh? Look at them babies. Look at them. Wish we had smelly vision, it'd be brilliant. No, look at them, can't wait, get tucked into them beauties. McDonald's, eat your heart out. Burger King, eat your heart out. Wimpy, eat your heart out. That's one from the past, isn't it? Hello, we've started, we're just going to make a brew with this new tripod what Steve's got, the Solo what, Steve?
That's the Solo Light tripod.
Solo Light tripod, which goes with the Solo Light stove what he's bought. And that's this, comes in a little pouch. If you can see the, where is it? I can't really see it. Oh, it's upside down, Solo. So, dead small, lightweight, look at that. Brilliant. It's got the water in there. Don't know how long it'll take, but we'll tell you how long it'll take. And look at that. This is it. This is what it's all about, people. As the Fell Wonder says, do a bit of camping. You know it makes sense. Hi everybody, what do you think of this? This is it, this is what camping's all about. Lovely fire, lovely people, lovely night as well, no rain, no nothing, absolutely brilliant. Anyway, what do you think of this tripod that our Danny made? Absolutely brilliant. And the chair as well I'm sitting on. It's the most on my eye. Don't get these in DFS. These are the business, these comfort as hell. Our Danny's done a really good job, got backrest as well. So, excellent this. The camp has been absolutely good tonight. No rain, no nothing. Absolutely quiet as hell. I mean, we've got a good setup, everything. We're all looking forward to getting to our hammocks tonight and having a good doze. And as I say, all this, you won't even know we've been here at morning. This will be all gone. Leaving no trace. That's what it's all about, people.
Embrace it.
And embrace it as well. Yeah, so, yeah, thanks everyone for watching the video, and if you can click and click and subscribe, I'll be grateful. Thank you very much. The Mooster Outdoors, signing off.
Squash banana.
Oh my God. Morning everyone, just woke up, just had a lovely sleep in the hammock, tent, whatever it is, and I'm not messing, it is comfy. So I'm going to get up now, put a brew on, and I break it. I'll pack up and get going. Another great camp, recommend it to anyone. Hammock camping is good.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll be very grateful. As you can see, I'm not even woke up yet.